2 commissions is your entire break-even point. And as a matter of fact, you're actually in profit after 2 commissions. Most beginner tutorials have you drowning in tech setup for weeks and weeks and weeks before you ever see a single dollar. You're working full time while your kids are pulling on your sleeve wondering what happened to you. Where did you go? So if you've been searching how to start affiliate marketing for beginners, and every video that you find is either a 30-minute tech tutorial or some guy flexing his laptop on the beach, believe me, I've seen them all, I want to give you something different today. I want to walk you through an actual system that was built specifically for people like you and me, people who don't have 8 free hours a day to figure this out from scratch. But first, let's back up, because if you're brand new to this, you might not even know what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is honestly one of the simplest business models that exists for home business. You share a product that you believe in, somebody buys it through a link that you gave them, and you get a commission. That's it. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to ship anything. You don't have to handle customer service. You just connect with people and show them something that's going to help them. And you get paid for making the connection. What makes it really powerful is that when you set it up the right way with the right company, those commissions can become residual, meaning that you get paid next month again and again, just for a single customer. And that to me is the difference of what turns this from a side hustle into an actual income pipeline that you can rely on. Now, the problem that I see most beginners running into, and the problem that I ran into when I first started, was that most programs just hand you a pile of training videos, and then they say, good luck, you're on your own, I hope you can figure it out. Now, if you're a homeschool mom, if you're juggling homeschool lessons and laundry and lunch, and you've got maybe a short 45-minute block after the kids go to bed, then you certainly don't have time to watch 60 hours of course videos before you can even understand what you're supposed to do. So what happens with most of these courses? You start out strong, you get excited, you feel like this could make a difference, and then 2 weeks in, you're stuck on some part of the tech setup. You can't get your funnel to work. You don't know what an email sequence even means, and you end up closing your laptop and maybe think that it's just not for you. You're not techie enough. And I hate it when people think this way, because the problem isn't you. It's not your lack of tech knowledge. It's not your ability and skill with computer stuff. The problem is that most of these courses and most of these systems are not built for someone in your situation. They're built for people who already have marketing experience, or people who can dedicate full-time hours to learning marketing skills, or for people who don't mind spending weeks building out funnel pages and automations before they ever make $1. But I'm pretty sure that's not your life. And honestly, it shouldn't be. So let me walk you through something that changed the way that I looked at all of this. It's the Home Business Academy Turnkey Affiliate Marketing System. And I want to be really specific about what makes this different, because I'm going to show you the exact math on why this works, even if you're starting absolutely from zero. Let me just get my honey and my coffee. Okay, I'm ready. When you first get access to the Home Business Academy, you're not asked to build anything from scratch. The entire sales system is already set up for you. And I'm talking about from what links you're going to send out, lead capture pages are done, the sales page that explains everything to your potential customers is done, email follow-up sequence that nurtures your leads after they visit your page, done. There's even an AI chat assistant that's going to answer questions and help close sales for you. 24 hours a day, and it's already built in and running for all of the customers that are already inside. You don't even need to know what a funnel is when you start. You don't need to design anything. You don't need to write a single email. It's all there, ready to go the day that you start. And this is the part that I really want you to hear, so listen closely. Even though everything is done for you, this is still authentically you. You're not out there on Facebook pretending to be someone you're not. You're showing up as yourself with your story, your voice, and your own personalized, and you point people to your own personal link. The system handles the explaining, the follow-up, the selling. You just get to be you on social media and share things you actually believe in. And for someone who has never done anything like this before, that is everything. Because it doesn't mean that you're trying to become a professional marketer overnight. It just means that you're sharing something that's real with other people who can benefit from it. Now let me give you some of the numbers because this is where it really gets interesting. You earn 80% commissions on every sale that you make. That means 80 cents out of every dollar comes right back into your bank account, and it only takes 2 customers to cover your costs completely. Which means that if you can get 2 people, then every single commission that you make after that is pure profit. Now, just stop and think about that for a second. 2 sales, that's it. And you basically are getting all of the tools and all of the training and all of the support for free because you've already earned it back. So why would you ever quit? And I honestly haven't even talked about the support yet, which is probably the biggest selling point of this whole entire system. Because you're not just getting a system, you're not just getting an automation pipeline to send people and then being left alone to figure out how to use it. Inside the Home Business Academy, when you sign up, there are mentors on live coaching calls 5 days a week. Real people, real conversations. You can raise your hand and ask your questions and get an answer in real time, right there in a moment, from 6-figure earners in this company. There's also a community feed where you can post any time that you have a question, and tons of people in the community are going to jump on that and try to help you figure out your problem. I promise you, with the Home Business Academy, you are never going to be sitting there staring at your screen wondering what to do next because somebody is always there. Now, if you sign up through my link, that's going to be me. I'm going to be there and you'll be able to message me anytime that you have a question and I'm going to help you figure it out. And if I don't have an answer, then we're going to go together to one of the lives and ask the question to our mentors in the community. But somebody is always going to be there to help you, to walk you through it. And that is not typical in the home business world. Most programs, like I said, they hand you your login information, they hand you some automation tools, and then they disappear. This system holds your hand and actually walks with you. And literally, that's what makes people stick with this system. Because it's not just a system. It's not just commissions. It's knowing that when you hit a wall, and you will hit a wall because that's how learning something new works, you're not alone on the other side of it. You've got people who've been exactly where you are. Every single one of us has been a beginner. We know what it feels like, and we've figured it out, and we genuinely want to help you do the same thing. And by the way, if you want to see exactly how the done-for-you system works and how 80% of commissions actually breaks down for somebody who's just getting started, I'm going to drop the link to the Turnkey funnel in the description. Click on the link and that page will walk you through the whole thing and give you all the information about the tools that you're going to get, the guidance you're going to get. And if you have questions, you can come back here and ask me or ask the AI on the sales page and it'll answer anything you have to ask. Like I said, the link is in the description below. I really hope to see you on the inside because I would love to walk beside you and hold your hand. If you want to see more videos about how each of the tools inside the system works, I have more videos on my channel in the playlist, Home Business Academy. I can't wait to see you succeed, and I'll see you in the next video.